Introducing Spark Home's innovative sliding home, designed for seamless transitions from a studio to 1, 2, or even 3-bedroom configurations. With a focus on versatility and convenience, our expandable homes are engineered for easy transportation and quick assembly on site. Utilizing a unique sliding mechanism, these homes effortlessly expand to accommodate changing needs, providing ample living space for individuals, couples, families, and beyond. Experience the ultimate in flexibility and efficiency with Spark Home's sliding home solution, a testament to our commitment to innovation and rapid build solutions for modern living. Unlock new possibilities with Spark Homes today.